Welcome to Code with SP, the world of learning. In this video, we are going to start with loops in Python. So what are loops? Loops are basically the sequence of instruction which will be executing continuously and repeatedly until and unless some condition is reached. So there are two loops, primary loops, which we will be using in Python, that is while and for. In this video, we are going to study while loop. So with the while loop, we can execute a set of instructions or a set of statements as long as some condition is true. So here is an example. I have initialized I equal to 1 and while some condition, until and unless this condition is true, this block of statements will get executed. So first time I is equal to 1, while I is less than 5, 1 is less than 5, s. So print I. So it will print the value of I, that is 1, and it will increment I. So my I becomes 2 now. I is equal to I plus 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So again it will go here while 2 is less than 5, yes. So again it will execute this. Now my I becomes 3. 3 is less than 5, yes. So it will print 3 and increment I. So now I becomes 4. 4 is less than 5, yes. So 4 gets printed and it will increment my I. So it will become 5. So so whether 5 is less than 5, no. So while statement ends here. So it will execute 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's execute the same thing. So here is the code which I have written. I is equal to 1 while I is less than 5. Print this, like execute these two lines. I'll save this and execute. Python file name .py. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy coding.